Hello guys, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm about to start cleaning up my kitchen. Okay, you guys, I had breakfast this morning and I had food everywhere. Still have some lettuce over here. So let me get to cleaning up. So today I had some Mono 4D. I used this to wipe down like my refrigerator door handles, my door handles around the house, the bathrooms and everything. So I usually do that to make sure everything is sanitized, okay? I got this at CVS. This can be quite expensive. I think it was $12 regular. But at the time when I purchased this, I did pay $10 and got that $10 extra buck back. But that was some time ago. So by now, this might be $15. I don't know. But yes, that's what I use to sanitize. And I got my Fabuloso antibacterial. I also use this to be wiping down my counters and everything, you guys, and making sure everything is lemony fresh. And can't forget the Pine-Sol. Well, it got dark. Okay, Pine-Sol. I usually use my Pine-Sols when the spring times, when the windows open. So when I mop, wipe, sanitize, that Pine-Sol scent just goes straight out the window because sometimes it can be a little bit too strong. So without further ado, let's get started, you guys. So I'm finna run me some dishwater. We're gonna keep getting dark. Can y'all see me? Some Ajax. Ooh, it got dark. Ooh. This water can get hell hot. Can I move you guys closer to me so you can see me? So I hope all is well. I also want to use my kitchen cleaners to wipe down my cabinets. Can y'all see me? Oh, that made it worse. Oh, it smells so good. That's enough water there. So when I clean down my old air fryer, wipe it down, spray it down. Had some bacon for breakfast. probably said that before. I know California getting quite a bit of rain. So I hope all is well out there and you guys are being safe. And take the warnings seriously. Take the warning seriously, you guys. Don't play with any type of weather. Oh. You know, you guys, Ajax is not my favorite dish liquid because it's like you have to use a lot of that to get your dishes clean. A lot of that to get your dishes clean, and that's just my favorite one is Dawn. I don't know why I picked that up. I think it was on sale, had to be. Wiping down the stove. Wipe. Here's my banana nut muffins I got, you guys. I ate one. I try to do one a day. And I usually have it with coffee. In the morning time. But this morning I had me a bacon sandwich. Just to get up early and do what you gotta do so you don't have to do all this stuff in the afternoon. I'm not cooking today. I'm not cooking today because I cooked yesterday. So that's how that's gonna go. Okay, you guys, I done finished wiping down my counters and everything. Now I finna go and start cleaning the other parts of my house and hold on for video part 2. Bye bye for now.